If you have ever wanted to play mobile games or use mobile applications on your computer and you're looking for a way to do it easily, you probably thought it was complicated to do. Well, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to install the LDPlayer emulator for free on your computer or laptop. And by the end of this video, you will be ready to run any application or game smoothly without any hassle. Let's get started. First, open any browser, go to the search bar and type in LDPlayer.net. Here it's gonna take you directly to this website. As you can see here, there is the download button. You're gonna click here. You're gonna wait for a few seconds until it's downloaded, then click on Downloads folder here and open this file. Here we're gonna click on Yes. Click on Download. And this is how you can download the LDPlayer emulator for free on your computer or laptop. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.